Okay, guys. So typically, these are the keywords. Now, what we are going to do, right, Charanya? We're going to copy this.
We are going to copy and insert on GSA contact form.
Exactly, Sharanya. So we are going to copy this.
Control A and
Control
C.
C. Go ahead over to GSA.
And paste here.
Paste here in add, import from clipboard. Everything pasted. Wow, wow, what a wow.
Next step is
Click on OK just to save. OK is to save. Suppose if current any problem, power cuts, or say you don't have an UPS, if you're working in, maybe you're working on a laptop, your battery is not working, or if something goes wrong, it will not save. So click on OK always. Okay, whenever you do something. Okay, cool, guys.
Then click OK.
Okay, so yeah, this is all fine. The next step is you got to choose a search engines, correct? How many search engines that see, suppose what will happen is after 1 hour it will switch, after sending a few messages, it's going to switch the search engines. Okay, this is to avoid spamming, correct? Spamming in the sense is this is to avoid sending too many messages using a single search engine, which accounts to spamming, correct? So in fact it should send in a legalized white hat manner. In order to do that, you got to select a lot of searches. So spend your time to check this. For 812 also you have to give the tick mark. Okay, so 800, this 46 selected of 812, right? So spends a lot of time to select this, what you call as the search engines to use. Okay, so one day if you spend also to select the 812, not an issue. Okay, once you selected, I select only 51 here, not an issue. Click on OK.
Okay,
right click once again, project settings. Now leave this, let it be 100. Go to filter.
Okay,
here, right, Sharanya, here accept only websites from the following country. If you want only India means just go here and select India. Okay, guys. I. If you want other what do you call?
Okay, if you want, if you countries, are focusing to more countries, means select that particular country.
Yeah, or if you want all full world, just remove this. Okay. And if you want to accept only websites with the following languages, you can just go ahead and
select some
particular language.
If you want Arabic means Arabic.
Urdu means Urdu. Tamil means Tamil. Correct.
Telugu means Telugu.
Whatever you want. Okay. Hindi means Hindi. Correct.
Each and every languages are here.
Kannada means Kannada. Italian means Italian. Japanese means Japanese. Whatever you want. Okay. So now I want to reach every audience in the world with all the languages. I'll leave it like that. Okay, guys. Okay. And here, yeah, that is all fine. Okay, this is all fine. Move on to the next one.
Submission content.
This is where the magic happens. Wait, I'll save this first. I'll save this. Head over there, back to project settings, submission content. Okay. So what it's going to do here is, and here this is proxies. I'll tell you before you go to the submission content. Proxies are, suppose it is like an IP, like a kind of a VPN kind of thing, right? Okay. So keep on changes the IP. Okay. How to do that is where to find the free proxies. I want to tell you that. Okay, right now. I want to tell you where to find the free proxies. Guys, not here. Hold on. I'll tell you where. Okay. This is where you can find the free proxies. This is for CAPTCHAs. This is for proxies. This is a paid CAPTCHAs. This is free proxies. Okay. What is CAPTCHA? I'll tell you that also coming up. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to paste this here. The proxyscape.com/free-proxy-list. This is a free proxy list. Okay. So typically you can download this free proxy list anytime. Okay. This is not a private proxy. Private proxies means you'll have a lot of fast speed will be there. Okay. If it is a public proxy, then speed will be less, but definitely no search engine will block you in this process. Correct. Okay. So in order to download these, click on download here. Okay. Suppose I want to download a SOX 5 proxy, click on download. And I will say to the desktop, I want to replace this. I already have a SOX 5 proxy list. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm going to just see this. I'm not going to, I think I'll have to click on these two. Okay. And click on configure. Okay. I'm going to delete all the proxies here. Already existing proxies because some may be working, some may not work. Okay. So now click on add proxies.
Now you're going to add that new proxies.
Yeah. So now the second one, import from file, host -port -login password.
Okay.
and I'm going to go to my desktop, head over down,
screen
socks file proxy. Then it'll ask, do you want to test the added proxies which is recommended? Yes, let it also test. Okay. So yes, you have to give
yes.
Set proxies are private. This is not a private proxy, so no. If it is a private proxy, then you have to give a private proxy. Private proxies you have to buy. Then only it will be faster.
Public proxies.
So these are public proxies. It is adding 651 proxies. Okay, guys. Okay. So what I'm able to tell you is, if you have a private proxy,
randomly testing. Okay.
Yeah, let it test. If it is a private proxy, you can send messages 100 times faster than you send. So like that, it will test a lot of proxies, guys. Okay, if you leave for it time to allow, it will test all the 6. It will take 1 hour for it to test entire thing. Okay, so I'll abort this right now. Okay, now tell me, finished. 4 out of 61 proxies seem to work. So we haven't tested fully, but 4 proxies are working. So I'll say use those proxies. Okay, you can also add or edit the proxy sites here. Whatever sites that you want to take proxies from, these are all the proxy sites. Okay, Sharanya.
Okay.
So you can add everything at once. And you can add GSA and instruct GSA to actually go to that proxy site and find proxies in those sites. Understanding, Saranya?
Yeah.
These are the proxy sites. Okay. So now give it okay. Okay. So proxies, right? If you want, you can use. Otherwise, you can just remove that. Okay, guys. So proxies, if you want, you can use proxies. Proxies, I told you, it'll send 100 times faster messages. Okay. Otherwise you can use it, or you cannot. You can just leave it. Okay? Now let's go back to CAPTCHAs. I want to show them that also.
Submission.
Yeah, submission content. I'll come to that. I'll just show them CAPTCHAs. Okay, how it works. So in order to
GSA CAPTCHA breaker.
Yeah, because last I want to show them the submission content. Okay. Finally, that is like called as end of the war. That is so. Okay, end of the advertising war. So CAPTCHAs is you'll have to go to something called as GSA CAPTCHA breaker, and that is a software which is not free.
A bit of software, I think.
That is a paid software.
Okay, that runs on your computer.
It is unlimited CAPTCHAs, free for life. Okay.
Okay, guys, CAPTCHA breaker. GSA CAPTCHA breaker is a bit of software that runs on your computer, and it solves CAPTCHA codes automatically. Okay, and you can hook it up to 99% of SEO or IM software, and it will
intercept all the
CAPTCHAs and solve them for you. Okay.
So whatever kind of CAPTCHAs it is, it will this one, right? So this is how it works. It simulates the CAPTCHA services, add new CAPTCHA types, advanced CAPTCHA segmentation it can do, free updates for life and all this stuff. So it's pretty amazing. Unlimited CAPTCHAs for life. Okay. One more alternative is there, which is also good, which is called Death by CAPTCHA.
Death by CAPTCHA or DCAPTCHA.
Right? DCAPTCHA, that is also good, Charanya. It is a industry leading CAPTCHA solving, right? Okay. Solution. And it is also very good. It is a best CAPTCHA solver and bypasser, right, Sharanya?
Yeah, right.
Correct. So this is amazing in terms of knowing how to use CAPTCHAs for filling forms in GSA. Okay. So how to add Death by CAPTCHA? We'll come to that. Okay. So now to add Death by CAPTCHA, click on add.
And
once you take the service, they'll give you a SOX API or Post API, whatever you purchase. Click on SOX API. And put your login and password, it will work automatically. Okay.
Good.
And if you want to add a CAPTCHA breaker, once you download the software, click on add, and the first one is GSA CAPTCHA breaker.
Okay.
So CAPTCHA breaker, always remember you have to open CAPTCHA breaker. Okay, guys, you have to open and keep CAPTCHA breaker. Okay, give yes, give yes. So once you open and keep CAPTCHA breaker, it will take 2 minutes for you to validate the license and all this stuff. Okay. So it will take 2 minutes to start the web server here. Okay, guys, let's wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, I think GSA CAPTCHA breaker
is the best.
Almost 90% it will solve the CAPTCHA accurately.
Exactly. Very accurate, right?
Yeah, right. Comparing to other things, it will sorry.
It will try to solve. Okay. Death by CAPTCHA also is good. I am a huge fan of that. But GSA CAPTCHA is unlimited CAPTCHAs, right? So that's the best service. Okay.
But it's a paid software.
Yeah, that is a paid. Even Death by CAPTCHA is paid, but you have to pay per CAPTCHA. Okay. See, unfortunately, when results you are getting, you have to pay for that. Okay. So it's a paid software only, right? So here, it has come now. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, to have a trial version of this. This is a paid version. Okay, so what is going to happen here is you can even try the trial version before you actually go ahead and take a
Before
decision.
purchase anything,
Yeah,
just
whatever.
go to trial version.
So here, what we are going to see here is, I want you to turn all this on. So whatever types of CAPTCHAs, correct, it will fill. Turn all this on, correct, Sharanya? So whatever types of CAPTCHAs you can fill, you can turn it on. Okay. So first time you log into this CAPTCHA software, turn all this on. Okay, I've turned everything on. So whatever type of CAPTCHA that the web contact forms will give, this will solve all the CAPTCHA. These are the types of CAPTCHAs it seems.
Okay.
Okay. So many CAPTCHAs are there, right, Saranya? What are the type of CAPTCHAs? So good, no? Simulate the following CAPTCHA. And even if it doesn't try to solve a CAPTCHA, you can send it to the death by CAPTCHA or whatever. If solving is failed for the particular, that means 100% CAPTCHA solving is there. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Cool. Once it is done, now what you gotta do is go back to here and you have put that DSA CAPTCHA. Click on OK.
Okay.
Now we will teach them the
project settings.
Submission content.
Submission content. Okay, everything is over.
Everything is
Finally,
over.
we are going to submit.
Wait, Saranya, I forgot. Scheduling. You suppose
scheduling.
If they want to schedule this, they can schedule it anytime.
If you want to schedule your mails or anything, just schedule it.
Yeah, schedule
start
the
time and stop time.
Whatever the messages scheduling or whatever we call mails and register and notes. If you want to take down notes on something, you can take down. Okay, let's go back to the main dish.
Content.
Main dish, but only we'll see it in the next video, not here. Okay, we'll see it in the next video right now. Okay, so we're going to see this how to submit the content and how you can do it. People were waiting that I'll show them in this video itself, but unfortunately it is going to be the next video. But until then, I want you to keep that surprise. That is being fortunate. Okay. So let's meet you in the next video. Okay.